Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Cosmic Essence Education. My name is Maitray and in this video we'll be looking at radian measure and the degree radian relation. So let's get started. Okay, so what is a radian? Now radian is another unit for measuring angles. So we have already been studying degrees as a unit to measure angles. We have looked that in a circle there is in a complete revolution 360-degree angle is made. In perpendicular lines the angle is 90 degrees. Just like that, one more unit of angle can be used, which is known as the radian. Okay, so let's see what a radian is. So if I have a circle of radius r, any radius r, and an arc of length r, then the angle subtended by this arc at the center is equal to 1 radian. Now the symbol for radian is a small c. Okay, so any circle of radius r and a length of arc which is equal to r subtends an angle equal to 1 radian at the center. Now if I have an arc of length L, then the angle subtended at the center in radians will be equal to L upon R. So theta radians is equal to L upon R, where L is the length of the arc and R is the radius of the circle. This is how we define radians. Okay, now why is this 1 radian? We are taking, if we are defining radian as this, if L is equal to R, then R upon R means this is equal to 1. So we get 1 radian. Okay. Now I say that this is always true for any circle of radius R. Okay. Any circle of radius R. And why is that? We should get that this number is a constant value for any value of R. So we can see that it should be a constant for any R. So let's say this is a circle of radius R and this is also R. Okay, what is the angle being made here? Let's see in degrees. Now we know that the angle subtended by the circumference at the center in degrees is 360 degrees. So when length of arc is 2 pi r, angle is 360 degrees. So when length of arc is 1 unit, angle subtended is 360 by 2 pi r. Now what should we get? When the length of the arc is r units, we should get a constant value which is not dependent on r and it is fixed for any circle of any size. So let's see, length of arc is r units, then angle is 360 by 2 pi r into r, which is equal to 360 by 2 pi, which is a constant value. So the angle made here in degrees will be 360 by 2 pi degrees, which is always constant for any circle of any radius. That's why this value, the 1 radian, is valid because it is constant for any circle, and this value is known as 1 radian. So 1 radian is equal to 360 by 2 pi degrees. Okay, so we got this relation that 1 radian is equal to 360 by 2 pi degrees. That means 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degrees, or we can say that pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. So this is the relation between radian measure and degree measure. Okay, now one of the most important thing is that by convention we omit using this symbol for radian. We do not write C here and just use radians without the symbol. So we just write that pi is equal to 180 degrees. This does not mean that pi, the value, is equal to 180 degrees. It means that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So this gives us a formula to convert radians into degrees. So from here we can write that 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees, and 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. We can use these for conversion from degree to radian or from radian to degree. So let's take a few examples. Convert first 5 pi by 6. The angle is in radians as there is no symbol here. So convert this angle to degree. For this we use this conversion. So 5 pi by 6 into 180 by pi degrees. This is equal to pi gets cancelled, 6 and 180 we get 30. This is equal to 150 degrees. Second, convert 3 pi by 4 radians to degree. To convert it, we multiply 3 pi by 4 by 180 by pi. So this is equal to 135 degrees. Third one, 720 degree to radians. Now we have to convert degrees to radians. So we will be using this conversion. 720 degrees in radians, we will multiply 720 by pi by 180. Now I am not using the symbol here for radians. This is equal to 4 pi. Fourth one, 270 degrees to radians. To convert, we multiply 270 by pi by 180, which is equal to 3 pi by 2 in radians. Okay guys, so we saw what radian measure is and the relationship between radian and degrees. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing out more videos like these. Thank you.